Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. There were some delays, but finally, our package is here. Big box unboxing coming right up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package sent through UPS, and this is from our buy and ship consolidation. As I said in the introduction of this video, there were some delays shipping this out, primarily because if I'm not mistaken, buy and ship changed warehouse in Hong Kong, okay, and that caused the checking time for our consolidation to be extra longer than usual. Okay, so although it's not so long, I think the delay was more of 3 days in that sense, okay, but nonetheless, as long as they safely arrive, then we are very much happy. Okay, this one should contain, if I'm not mistaken, 4 consolidated items, okay, a couple of pasabays if I'm not mistaken, and of course our holes from various sources online. If I can open it. Okay, I'm just gonna tear it apart. Okay, this is taking long. There we go. So we can already see some of the packaging here. Okay, so safely packaged here. Let me pull the items one at a time for suspense. And the first one is a Phoenix Sentinel. Okay, so a Phoenix Sentinel, we already have this in our collection, but somebody locally bought my Phoenix Sentinel. Okay, so I had to buy another one. Okay, so just have to double check that everything is in order for this Phoenix Sentinel. This is directly from the Whiskey store. Sometimes you want to check whether the cards are there and the dial is complete. So just to be safe, the dial is here, card is here. So we have a Phoenix Sentinel back in our collection. Okay, so we're gonna be using that for our 300 meta team. Okay, the second item is a Battle Gnome. Okay, so also from WizKids. So this is, I think, our 4th or 5th Battle Gnome. Okay, we're trying to make a Battle Gnome team. Okay, and the next one we have bubble wraps. And next one we have more bubble wraps. And finally we have this one, the Iconics first appearance Wolverine. I bought this for the longest time in the WizKids store, but I just realized that when I bought this, they have some promo to include some free items, and those free items, the release dates on those are to be announced at that time. So when they were finally available, it was the time this was shipped to me. Okay, so of course this is a great Iconics set, so just making sure all the figures are here and the cards are there on the side. We're not gonna open it. We already have an unboxing video for this. That's gonna be sold or what you call this, traded or for tournament. And the next one is Kong. Okay, no need for introduction. Also, the delay was caused because of the free item. This was shipped, this was bought together with that Iconics Wolverine. So all the cards are here. You have the Kong, meta staple. So this is probably going to be sold. Okay. Okay. So we have here a couple of pieces. Zombie George Washington and Dinosaur Hatchling. Okay, so these are the freebies. And we have, oh no, the item is missing. We have the Arachnite card but the item is missing. Oh my god. So it's a sad day. We have to contact buy and ship. Hopefully they are able to resolve it. So I'm gonna end the video with that sad note. And bye-bye for now. Okay, so just an update. We saw the arachnite in one of the bubble wraps, but unfortunately there were a bit of a... It's broken and a bit of a nick on the card. So unfortunate, but that really happens from time to time. Sad.